Hey, hey, wanna go ice fishing? Yeah. All right. But first, we gotta keep warm. Yes. We gotta keep warm.
Shit, you could fit two in here.
We got one of these here things. 18,000 BTUs. How to keep us warm. Maybe. Yeah. That's what it looks like outside of the box. And holds 5 pound, or not 5 pounds, or whatever them smaller bottles are. Plus a quick disconnect, or quick connect for a larger 20-pound bottle. Multiple settings, high, medium, and low. Another compartment for another small bottle. Unit also has a blower. It takes some C batteries, I believe. And it also comes with a 6-volt plug if you're in the neighborhood of an outlet. Out in the middle of a pond or a lake, you're not that likely to have an outlet. Also has hangers too for hanging it on the wall or wherever you want to hang it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, now we'll go on to doing some ice fishing at some point. Planning on going probably Sunday. Lost our snow. I think it got down to hold on a second. For 2 days before today was sub-zero. 10 below, and some points up to 8 above. And then we got up into the 50s yesterday, 60s this morning, just about 60. It was 55 when I went to the doctor's. It's now gotten down to about 20 degrees, and it turned back to snow, and there's plenty of ice. We're going to go Sunday, and I'll film that, put it on a different video, obviously. I got some leaking issues on this chimney that I want to get my son to fix for me, because I don't like climbing up there this time of year. Got to caulk this chimney here. Water leaking through a crack somewhere, and it's running down a rafter and coming through into my living room, or my dining room rather. Nasty stuff. Tar looking type stuff. Anyway, I just froze my ass off out there, so I'm running back in here and hang out. Sit and do nothing.
Right.
Ready to go to work. And 6 hours. Night shift. Yeah. Anyway. I'm going to try to do some ice fishing videos for you guys this winter. Check out the son's YouTube channel too. Colin's on the tube. He's got a bunch of stuff coming. Also has a gaming channel, the Madcap Gamer. Check that out too. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. All right. See you on the ice. Bye.